Hey everybody, it's Luke over at Galaxy Tech Review, and today I've got a product from Soundbot. This is the SB600 Bluetooth speaker that's Amazon Alexa enabled. So if you're looking for an alternative to getting an Amazon device, you want to pick this one up. You can pick this one up on Amazon at the time of this review for $69, which is actually a lot cheaper than Amazon's Echo. We're going to dig into this now, so sit tight, and I'll be right back. Okay, so here is what you get once you open the box. Obviously, you're going to get the speaker. You're going to get a charging cable with it. We'll take a quick look at the manual for the SB600, and it is Amazon Alexa enabled, so you're going to be able to use Amazon Alexa with this, which is actually really cool if you're into the Amazon ecosystem. You can download the Soundbot app. It's called the Soundbot Player, and you can get it in the App Store or Google Play, so it'll work with iOS or Android, so that's great. And it kind of just takes you through the whole process of how to use the app to connect the speaker to your Wi-Fi. It has to be 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, not 5 gigahertz, so keep that in mind. You'll put your password info in and then continue on. We're going to do this. I'm going to get it all set up right on screen for you so that you can see how easy it is to set this up through the app and then get Alexa running with it. So we have a lot ahead of us. It also supports AirPlay and iOS mode. It also supports DLNA and Android, and works as a standalone Bluetooth speaker as well. So if you don't want to use the Amazon feature and you just want a Bluetooth speaker, then this will of course work like that as well. These are all the specifications that are up here. I will leave these up and you guys can freeze this if you want to and check them all out. But it's running Bluetooth version 4.0. It has a built-in 4400 milliamp rechargeable battery, again something that the Amazon Echo does not have. It has a recharge time of about 5 hours, but it only has a playback time of constant playback of about 3 hours. So it's not super portable. You can, of course, leave it plugged in with the supplied USB cable. It is a standard USB to micro USB cable. You can plug this into any USB on your laptop or your PC, or just use something like an AC adapter to a USB adapter and just keep it plugged in if you're going to keep it in one spot. You've got a main button here on the front. You've got some very nice sensory touch buttons at the top and a LED ring right around the top, just like the Amazon Echo. You've got a mute microphone button here. You've got your microphones, so they will be able to pick up your voice, your volume up and volume down buttons on the right and left, and your play and pause, which also, if you hold that in, is your WPS button. This will get you paired to your Wi-Fi. We're going to show you that in just a few moments. The button on the front, again, will switch you from Amazon Alexa mode or Bluetooth mode, and it powers the speaker on as well. You just have to hold it in. You'll see that the LED lights up here, letting you know that it's ready to be paired, and we're going to take you through the pairing process right now. Okay, so the pairing process on this is pretty simple. You're just going to get that Soundbot player, and you're going to launch it on your phone or tablet and make sure that you're connected to your Wi-Fi, and it's going to search for a Soundbot wireless system on your network, and you can just use the Wi-Fi setup wizard at the bottom here. And it's going to give you a reminder again, make sure that your phone is connected to your 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, not 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi, because it does not support that. Now, here's your Wi-Fi info. You can click on that to search for your Wi-Fi. Obviously, mine's there already, and we put my password in and click Next. And then what it's going to tell you is to hold down the pause play button on the front to put it in a Wi-Fi pairing mode. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to hold that down, and it's going to make a little beep, and then you are going to hit next on the screen, and it is going to upload from your phone that information from your Wi-Fi with your password to the Soundbot SB600. This can take, up to 60 seconds. I found that it only took a few seconds, as you'll see here, and there we are. And you can see the current Wi-Fi strength of the device is 86% because we're fairly close. Now it takes you to a named device. Now you can leave it at the default, or you can say bedroom, den, dining room, foyer, garage, garden. They've got a ton of different places. We're going to select office. You can put whatever you want on here. You can even do a custom one, I believe, and then we are going to hit the little next icon at the top right. Now they've got your Amazon setup here, and you can use this to set it up. You just have to sign in with Amazon. So you click on sign in with Amazon, which I will do right now, and I will do that off screen so that you don't see my information. But then what we do is you just sign in with your Amazon account and password, and this will enable it, and you can now select what language you would like, and it now says that it is ready. So what we will do is just show you that it is ready and the things that we can do with it. It says we value your privacy. You can use that mute button there to mute your microphone if you want to. Everything turns red. That means that your microphones are not being recorded at that time. And it gives you a little setup here that shows me Office and how much battery life I have left on the actual speaker. So that is a pretty cool, not a bad deal so far with the app. And once you go into the little cogwheel, you can see renaming the speaker, the info on the speaker, your settings for Alexa as well. So you've got all of that right there, and you can check that out in the app to set things if you need to. Okay, so first I want to unmute my microphone using that one tap button on the top there. And what we will do is we will ask our speaker to play some music. Alexa, play royalty-free music.
Royalty-free music, but music for anything.
Alexa, stop. Okay, so you can also ask Alexa to do different things, such as, Alexa, what's the weather like today?
In Coatesville, it's 64 degrees Fahrenheit with clear skies and sun. Today, you can look for intermittent clouds, with a high of 73 degrees and a low of 51 degrees.
So there you go. We've got it all set up on our speaker. It sounds really good. You can see that the music quality is really, really decent on this. It's got a very nice design to it. You can see in the back, that's where you'll plug in your micro USB. Overall, this is a very solid speaker. It's got two 5-watt 52 millimeter drivers in the speaker itself, so the sound is very rich and full. I like the fact that it does have a rechargeable battery in it, so you don't have to leave it plugged in, although of course you can leave it plugged in via a AC to USB outlet and just leave it in a stationary position. But if you do need to take it somewhere and you do need to go, you can definitely go somewhere with this, and it will give you up to 3 hours of battery life, which is actually pretty cool for on the go. And just remember that if you want to use it as a standalone Bluetooth speaker, you can just hit that button on the front and it will switch over to Bluetooth only mode, and you can hook up any phone or tablet, even your PC, to this as a Bluetooth speaker. So that's my review of the Soundbot SB600 Amazon Alexa enabled Bluetooth speaker. You can check it out again on Amazon at the time of this review for $69, and there is quite a price difference between this and, say, an Amazon Echo. The Amazon Echo also does not have a rechargeable battery in it, so it is a stationary speaker that is always going to have to be plugged in. If you need one for kind of on the go, and again, you are looking for something that's Amazon Alexa enabled, then this may be a great alternative. It does have that function to it. It also has the function, of course, of just being a standalone Bluetooth speaker. It's got really good sound, as you heard. The microphones work really well from even across the room. I didn't have any problems whatsoever on this speaker. So again, if you're kind of looking for a budget Amazon Alexa device, don't want to go for the real small Amazon Echo Dot, and you want something a little bit bigger and can be a portable Bluetooth speaker with a built-in battery, then this might be the way to go. This was Luke from Galaxy Tech Review. If you have any questions or comments about the Soundbot SB600, please leave those in the comment section below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Remember to like, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so because that always helps me out. And I'll check you guys out on the next video.